For years, the GMC Sierra 1500 has been associated with quality. The completely redesigned model for 2019 is the most impressive Sierra yet. It has a new look, upgraded features and tech, and a brand new trim, the AT4, the most off-road worthy model in the GMC lineup. This is actually just the beginning for the AT4 badge. Much like Denali, AT4 will become a sub-brand under the GMC umbrella. And the company says AT4 will be seen on every vehicle in the lineup in the next few years. AT4 is also available on the redesigned 2020 Sierra HD. The idea is to give drivers authentic off-road capability straight from the factory. And with things like a lift kit, off-road suspension, and all-terrain tires, the AT4 does just that. The 2-inch lift gives you that extra ground clearance you want when heading into untamed territory. And the off-road suspension with Rancho monotube shock absorbers does a nice job providing a smooth ride over rough terrain. There are skid plates up front and under the body for added protection. Plus, the available Goodyear Wrangler Duratrac tires give you excellent grip. It has a more rugged look than a standard Sierra, highlighted by a black chrome grille, along with body-colored grille surround and bumpers. It's pretty slick. The red recovery hooks up front let everyone know this is a serious off-roading machine, and the dual exhaust helps complete the unique look. The AT4 also gets exclusive wheels. 18 inches with gray accents are standard, but there are optional 20-inch wheels as well. Inside, you get the same darkened style. The leather seats also get a unique jet black Kalahari combo with AT4 badging on the headrest. The front seats are heated and cooled, along with heated rear seats in the crew cab. All kinds of cool technology is available in this thing, like a heads-up display with an off-road inclinometer, a streaming rear camera mirror, and HD surround vision. The front end of the new Sierra is pretty hefty, and having multiple camera angles makes it easier to navigate through tough terrain. 4-wheel drive with a 2-speed auto-track transfer case is standard on the AT4, and that includes low-range 4-wheel drive that's designed to handle off-roading. The traction select system can be had with an off-road mode that adjusts the transmission shift points to optimize performance. There's also hill descent control that uses the anti-lock brake system to help give you a more controlled descent on tough terrain. Under the hood is a 5.3-liter V8 engine, but you can upgrade to a 6.2-liter V8 and the all-new 10-speed automatic transmission. It creates 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. The AT4 also gets GMC's innovative Multi-Pro tailgate and its 6 different functions. Capable and comfortable with its own rugged style, GMC's new AT4 package is the perfect addition to the Sierra lineup. If you have any questions about the AT4 package, please feel free to message me.